Hey, good afternoon. It's almost 12:15 now, so it's a Wednesday and it's Diwali moreover. And I thought I'll make another vlog today. The last time that I made a vlog was around 3 months ago, and that vlog was a first timer, so it didn't turn out that well. So this time I thought I'll make a shorter vlog, but a good one. It's gonna be another chill day slash little bit of work day. There will be some amount of work that I gotta get done today, and there will be a lot of fun too. And I gotta buy something also, and I'm gonna head to the mall for that. I'm gonna take my scooter out and let's head to our first place. That's going to be the bank. I gotta get some banking stuff done right now. So this is Pawan and I insist tech. Let's get started. I got done with the banking work that I had. It took a lot of time, actually more than half an hour. So once that I'm done with this, now let's go to Oran Mall because I have to buy a few things there. I'll tell you in detail in a while. Now I just parked my scooter there. Main reason I'm here is to buy a pair of headphones, and I'm not supposed to shoot with the gimbal apparently inside the mall. That parking lady was like, don't take the gimbal inside, so I'm shooting everything with my hand right now. So don't mind if there's a little bit of shake here and there. Oh yeah, coming back to the headphones which I had at home were fully broken up. They were at a really bad, unusable condition, I would say. So let's go to Reliance Digital right now and check out what kind of headphones they have. If I like something, I might buy it. Or if I don't like, I might just order it from Amazon or something. Yeah, this is the problem of vlogging in India. There will be some sort of dumb restriction that you might never know they would tell you to. Can't use your gimbal, can't use your tripod. Even in malls like this. So yeah, it's a problem. His pair of headphones finally. They were same price as Amazon.com, so I was like, anyways I've come here, so buy it off. And they were JBL ones, so I hope they last at least 2 to 3 years. Place now. I parked my scooter right there, and now I'm waiting for my friends to arrive here because probably we are gonna go bowling and it's gonna be fun. So before that, let's get inside the mall and probably wait for them. I'm very hungry too. Yeah. I think we are done for today. The vlog. The bowling was really fun. I couldn't win, but yeah. Now I'm gonna head to a different place, but I'm not gonna shoot that right now. Um, After that, I'm gonna head home, and yeah, that's about the vlog then. Um, Let me know what was the favorite part of this vlog for you. Um, Probably bowling was my favorite part. So that's about it. If you like the whole video, don't forget to leave a like. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. As always, this is Pawan signing out. Bye.